Hey, happy Friday and welcome back to my channel. It's almost dinner and I feel like some comfort food, so today I'm gonna be making chicken and dumplings, and I figured why not take you guys along for that journey. And I'm not following a recipe today, I'm just kind of following my soul. So I don't have measurements for you today, you can follow along if you like, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start by chopping up my vegetables. So I'm gonna chop up some onions really finely. And I'm not gonna put a lot in this because my husband's not a huge fan of onions, but I do wanna flavor this at least. So I'm gonna chop this up really fine and hopefully he won't notice. This recipe isn't even close to my family's traditional chicken and dumplings, which is absolutely delicious. My mom makes it the best, but my sister's gotten really good at it too. But the problem is it's just very carb heavy. It is 50% flour and like 50% mashed potatoes, and obviously chicken too, but like it's a lot of carbs. And I'm feeling like some vegetables today. So next I'm gonna be chopping up some carrots. I'm gonna put what I've cut so far in a pot. And then the last vegetable that I need to add in is corn. So I'm just putting in frozen corn, and I'm probably gonna put in around a cup. Next, I'm gonna add in 2 chicken breasts, and I'm just gonna drop them right into the pot. And now I'm gonna cover everything with some water. I have 3 cups here, but I don't think I'm gonna use it all. Ooh, I might though, I might use it all. Yep, okay, I used all 3 cups and that's perfect. Basically, you want everything to be covered. I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoned salt, some pepper, and a generous spoonful of chicken bouillon paste. Now I'm gonna bring this to a boil and clean up because this is a mess. Now that it's boiling, I'm gonna pop the lid on it, turn the heat down to probably a medium high, and this is gonna boil for 20 to 30 minutes, so I just saw Jordan walk in. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. I'm gonna check my chicken now, and I should be able to shred it at this point. So I'm gonna turn the heat down to low for right now. And to shred it, I'm just using 2 forks to pull it apart. Before I add my shredded chicken back in, I'm going to thicken the broth. So I am going to use about 3 tablespoons of flour. And into that, I'm going to be adding some lactose-free milk. And I'm gonna do this a little at a time so that the flour doesn't get lumpy. And I'm just gonna keep adding milk until I have about 2 cups. So now I'm gonna turn the heat back up and pour my milk mixture into the broth. And I'm just gonna keep stirring this at a high heat until it starts to thicken up. And I wanna add a little extra something to this. So I have about half a container here of sour cream, so I'm gonna be mixing that in. All right, I have a really nice thickness right now, so I'm gonna add the shredded chicken back in. So I'm almost done, but there's just one last thing that we need to do, and that's to add our dumplings. So I have a container here of jumbo buttermilk biscuits. And I'm probably not gonna be able to fit all of these in here, but what I'm gonna do is gently lay these on top of the mixture right in the pot and just keep putting them in there until you've completely filled the top. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try and fit these in there. I'm gonna break this one in half. All right, now I'm gonna pop the cover back on this, and this is gonna have to sit for another 15 to 20 minutes. All right, it's done. And those biscuits poofed up a lot, dude. Jordan, do you wanna try it with me? How much do you want? A lot?
I'm pretty hungry, yeah.
Okay.
It's really hot.
Well,
But
yeah.
it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What'd you rate this one?
Probably a good solid 9. Probably be a 10 if the chicken wasn't quite as dark.
Whatever, you can leave now. All right, guys, and that was all I had to share with you for today's recipe. I really hope you enjoyed. Of course, if you did, you know what to do. Leave me a thumbs up. I love seeing those. They make me so happy. If you're new here and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because I'd really love to see this channel grow. I'm doing everything I can, but I really can't do it without you guys, so subscribe. And that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.